gravely. Alright, look at those weird things. Came with a plow for like snow. We got a lawnmower. We got a big lawnmower brush cutter. We got a tiller. And then look at these beasts. This thing's got some fancy rotary plow type thing on it. And then that one's got a seat and can attach the attachments to the front. And then here's a couple more attachments. Yeah, sickle and a cultivator. This is some cool stuff. Now we get to see if they'll start or not. What do you think? Think they'll start? We haven't tried yet. This one's a Gravely 5240. This one's a Gravely don't know. We'll have to look it up. Got all these at an auction. Okay, we just put a little bit of fuel in here, not very much, hopefully enough. Yeah, we'll see if it starts. Powercraft. Not sounding good yet. No luck with that one. That'll take a little more work. We'll have to see what's going on. Okay, here's where we are so far. We got the front attachment attached. We actually found some bolts to fit in the holes to attach this mower. Didn't come with any, so there we go. Got some nice shiny bolts attaching the mower. And comes with a battery, but it says 2007. So we brought out a different battery. Adding some fuel here. Yeah, we'll see if this thing cranks over. Looks like a pretty fun beast. There it goes. Getting some fuel. Uh-oh. 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 Fuel bowl leaks, needs a gasket. Okay, jumper cables are hooked up. We have no idea which lever to do where, so it might go crazy. Yeah, probably don't want to do that. Okay, let's see if it cranks at all.
Okay.
Oh, I heard a click. Nothing else yet, though.
I think battery connections are bad.
Okay, at least we know it starts. Alright, trying to crank it over or rotate it by hand to make sure the engine isn't seized, and it ate my glove. Alright, so we're going to put a wrench on here and turn it that way. Yeah, at least one item's working. Gravel. Alright, also taking a look at this one. The recoil rope was gone, so we've got that off, and we're trying to put a rope in here. Yeah. This one, the chain's like super rusty. Got my glove out at least, but yeah, this chain really rusty. But yeah, we're able to move it so it's not seized. Alright, taking that apart. Alright, we got that reattached with the rope in there. So we took the chain off. The chain was rusted like crazy, really stiff. The chain off, The starter turns just fine, and rotating the engine seems to rotate just fine. The other one, we got the rope on and we're able to crank it. Seems like we have no spark though. So yeah, I might have to swap the coil and the points maybe. We'll see. They're kind of exposed on the outside of the engine, so they could be water damaged. But both of the engines seem free, so hopefully we can get both of these working. Not today though, because we're out of time. Alright, so we got this ignition tester. Let's see if it works. Okay, we're swapping out the points for a new one. And then swapping out the condenser too. And still no spark. Yeah. Soak the chain in diesel oil, or diesel. It's oily. Some pretty crusty looking connections here. Best part is the spark plug. Shove that in there. Oh, zap zap. Must be doing something. Shorting out, that's what it's doing. Okay. Instead of that, what if we put it right on the starter? Doesn't sound happy. Yeah, it's not negative 12 volts because you can see the negative goes to the frame there. Then we got this one too. It's got a tiller on the front. Rusty. Ugh. It's spinning.
I thought we had it spinning before.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
We did work on these Gravely's a few more times off camera. We got that starter to spin, but eventually just kind of ran out of time working on different projects and decided, hey, let's just sell these things, get our money out of them, and use that money for something else. We used that money, put it towards a mini excavator. There they sit. So much for trying to get them to work. Now they're for sale. Sometimes you just gotta give up.
Yeah, I really want to